Hello again everybody, this is David again with one of the series of tutorials on Unix and Linux that I've been posting on YouTube for the last few years. Sorry I haven't been around for a long time, but well, I'm here and today I'm going to do some mini how-to or mini tutorial to tell you and show you how to use Screen to manage do administration tasks on your remote Unix or Linux computers or servers, what have you. First, a brief introduction of the Screen command. Screen is a virtual terminal command. It will it's like a window manager, very simple window manager for you Linux fans. You know what a window manager is, like KDE or GNOME or XFCE, Metacity. But Screen is a very low level screen window manager, which in our case will help us run commands on separate windows, not with the ease of use of a mouse, 1, 2, 3 click of a mouse, but through simple yet powerful interface. For example, you want to, let's say you have a server that, and you need to copy the entire Dovecot mailbox from one server to another, but you cannot be in front of the computer, or you don't trust your internet service provider, as I do with my shitty internet service provider. So you need the command to run unattended, and Screen is the solution for you there. So in my case, I'm going to log into my PBX, which is right here. This is an asterisk box running on the Netherlands. So I need to, for example, run a very important task for me, which is top. In my case, this is CentOS computer, CentOS server. So we're going to install Screen through the Joom using Jum. Okay, so let's install Screen. Good, there you go. And I am going to call Screen. Screen tag S. We are going to call our session with the tag capital S. We're going to call no, let's call that process. We're going to call that session process. As you see, nothing out of the ordinary happens here. But here's the magic. So let's call top. And there you can see the top interface, my very important top, showing me all of the things that are happening on my server. So this is the remote part, what we do, calling Screen on this remote location. So this is the first part. Then I want to detach from this screen, or whatever happens, my internet connection fails or whatever. But if you want to manually get out of this, you simply press Ctrl A and then D, lowercase v, and you have detached from the screen session. If you want to see your active screen sessions, you do Screen tag ls, and then you see that there are some screens running there. Let's see if those are valid, all of them, by doing Screen tag wipe. Great, 3 sessions running there. So we're good. Now we move into my local server. Okay, now we're on our local machine. Now we're going to see Screen in action. Let's get out of the, as you can see, this is the remote location. Moving between tabs on the terminal on my Ubuntu box, quite stressing, boring, anything. Now we simply SSH into the server, we connect. Here we are. Okay, now we call screen. We want to verify the session, as I told you, screen tag ls. Okay, so here we have our session. This is the screen process ID, and here is the name. I have, at the moment, I have 3 screen processes running. I want to go into the process, the one that we just created on the previous step. So we can do that by simply issuing screen tag X and either the name of the session or the process ID plus the dot and the name of the session. So let's go and call process. Whoa, there you have the magic of screen showing your important top. So now for some more extra stuff that you can do with screen. Not just use it to watch top showing you how overloaded your server is, but to do some other stuff, some other admin stuff. So some of the cool keyboard shortcuts that you can use to use your screen, for instance, is Control A and capital S. It will split your screen horizontally into two windows. And on the first, this upper one, you continue to see your top running. This one below is empty. So to make it not so boring and empty, you do Control A and press the Tab key. And now you see that your cursor is blinking down here. And if you want to create a new session there, you just do Control A, lowercase c, and there you have another prompt. Let's see something. Let's do something there. Okay, great. I want to do some editing of a very important bash script. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a vin bash, and it's going to do ls this thing. So then finish my editing. I want to go into another server, so I'm gonna go to SSH and going to, let's say, a router, and check something on another server. This is on, okay, so let's go there, SSH, while my top is running. Okay, let's log into the server to show you. Okay, good. Now we're on Tomato Router. Let's go here. Let's see what's going on our server. We're OpenVPN and some other nice stuff. So if you want to switch between windows, Control A, that's the magic key combination, and then you press Tab. You want to exit out of top here because it's too boring. So I'm logging through SSH from my local server to the PVX, so I want to run the asterisk. Let's see what's going on in the asterisk machine. Some asshole trying to log into my server. Okay, let's get out of there because I need to do some other stuff on the lower terminal. So Control A tab, and let's see what we can find here on the other window. Okay, color, everything. let's go and go back into the other terminal. Good. So let's get out of asterisk. And now I need another screen. So I hit my key combination, the keys of God. You do Control A and then capital S. And now we have three screens. Control A, Tab to move to the second screen. And Control A, N. Oh, a copy of my first terminal in there. So let's close out of that. So I have to do Control A C on this screen, Control A Tab to move to the lower one, Control A Tab to move to the first one, Control A C to get a new prompt, a new bash prompt, Control A Tab, and here I have another. Let's run top there. Okay, and now to wrap things up, simple comment and an add-on if you want your screen to look a bit less boring. You just got to simply create a file on your home directory which is called screen.rc, and in this file you just paste the comments, the lines that I'm going to paste right now, and you can see it will remove the stuff that will come on screen when you first open it, and it will open it with a shell, and it will create a very nice status bar. I will post this on the video description, and let's get out of Beam, and let's call screen again on the, let's see which processes we have. I detached from the other ones that I had, so let's check what about this process. Let's go into screen tag x 23788 dot pts tag 3. Let's go in there. What do we have there? Oh, this is a open VPN running there, so I'm not gonna touch that. Good. So let's see the other one, the asterisk one. So let's log in into that. I'm gonna enter with the name asterisk, empty screen. So let's get out of there. Okay, so screen is terminating. Let's see, what do we have? Just one. All right, so now let's call screen tag S test screen. Good. Now you can see down below how nice the screen looks with the load average and the date and the time. So remember, simple comments. If you want to see all of the list, you just do Control A and you type colon help, and you will have a view of what you can do with the comments. Screen key bindings, page 1 of 2. Common key with Control plus A. So there you have it. That's about it. That's just about it. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, don't rate, don't comment, don't do anything. Thanks for watching, and have a great one. Cheers.